Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell so you'll get notified every time I upload a video. And if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up. In today's video, I'm gonna make these candy jars for my parents. And once I'm done with the candy jars, I'm actually going to take them to their house and I'm gonna get their reaction to the candy jars. So I'm gonna post the reaction at the end. So stay tuned and watch this video to the end so you can see their reaction. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Okay, so while they're drying, I'm gonna try to test out this Dollar Tree, what is it called? Magic cover paper, contact paper. I'm gonna try to use this to make a stencil. I've made the stencil with Cricut products and stuff before, but I've never used the Dollar Tree products. So I'm gonna just try it out just to see how it works. If it doesn't work, I'll just pull out my Cricut paper. But I just figured since I already have this, and I want to see if it works because I hear a lot of people saying it works and it's saving them a bunch of money. So I'm all for saving money. So I'm gonna try to see how this goes, and we're about to see together.
Yeah, close your eyes. Close your eyes, okay? Cover your hands or cover your face with your hands or something. Yeah, they got their eyes covered.
No peeking, mother.
Yeah, no peeking.
So guys, this is the reveal I told you about in my video, that I was going to bring it to my parents and show them what I made for them. So let's see their reaction. Open your eyes. Oh, wow, look at that.
Yeah, this is good.
Wow, this is nice. You like it?
Yeah. Get yours for $29.95. No.
Oh, no.
No, this is cool.
Wow.
This is very